Hi, this is Brendan from Auto Training, and in this tutorial what we're going to look at is what classes of license can I train if I hold TLI 41316 or TLI 41318, Certificate 4 in Transport and Logistics, Road Transport, Heavy Vehicle Driving Instruction. The focus of this tutorial is for Queensland applicants, and the information in this tutorial reflects industry changes that will be as of 1 April 2019. The person must hold a valid open driver's license issued in Australia or New Zealand for the class of vehicle for which the applicant wishes to provide training and have held the license for a continuous period of at least 1 year immediately prior to making the application. So, for example, if I hold a HR, that's a heavy rigid license, for 10 years and I get a heavy combination license today, as a trainer, I can't train anyone in that class until I've held that HC license for a continuous period of 12 months and I've upgraded my instructor qualifications from HR to HC. A lot of people ask me, do I need to do the full course again to upgrade? And the short answer is no. You will just do a bridging course. Question: what qualification do I need to be a heavy vehicle driving instructor? The answer is TLI 41316 or TLI 41318. So people say, what's the difference between those two codes? The 18 is more current than the 16. The 16 has been superseded by the 18 qualification. Transport Main Roads will recognise either of those qualifications if you hold a certificate with those on them. So we're in a situation at the moment where the TLI 41316 will be recognised by Transport Main Roads, but from the perspective of the training companies who deliver the courses, the 16 is day by day being phased out and the TLI 41318 is being brought in, and there'll be a cutoff date. I don't have that in front of me, when the 318 will be the qualification that all the training companies are delivered. So normally when a qualification gets superseded in a registered training organisation, there's a teach-out period of the superseded qualification of 12 months. So if you've got a 16, don't panic. It will be recognised for quite a significant amount of time. So I always stress that to people. Now, the qualification to become a heavy vehicle instructor has 13 core units plus 1 industry elective unit from the industry list on the right. So everyone has to do the red units for the core units on the left. Now, the industry elective units, depending on what license you have, is what you can instruct in that class. So if I've only got a light rigid license and I've held it for over 12 months, I can then get the TLI C2002 drive light rigid vehicle, and I can be a heavy vehicle instructor in that class. Now I've highlighted the red one, drive multi-combination vehicle. I would have had to have held that license multi-combination for over 12 months if I wanted to instruct in that one. Very important. If you want to be a B-double assessor, also known as an MC assessor, then you need an extra qualification. You need to hold the TAE 40116 Certificate 4 in Training and Assessment. There are 9 core units plus 1 elective unit. Now, as noted at the start of the PowerPoint, the 16 qualification is required, is mandatory as of April 1, 2019. So if you watch this video before then, TAE 40110 is currently accepted. That very quickly is being phased out as we get towards April 1, 2019. In Queensland, the assessment process is as follows. So on the left, we can see that for classes LR, MR, HR, and HC, who assesses the driver to get that license? Well, easy. A Transport Main Roads driving examiner. So they go to the transport department and they do a driving test. What qualifications does the trainer need to hold? TLI41316 or TLI41318. Let's look at the right side now. For Class MC, who assesses the driver? An assessor from a registered training organisation, an RTO for short, approved to do so through ASQA and TMR. ASQA is the Australian Skills Quality Authority, and TMR is Transport Main Roads. You have to be on their approved list of multi-combination providers for them to recognise the statement of attainment when you take it to the Transport Department. I will cover those bodies in a separate tutorial. There's quite a lot of information to cover there. What qualifications does the trainer need to hold? Well, they need to have 2 qualifications to be an MC trainer assessor, a TLI 41316 or a TLI 41318, plus, as of April 1, 2019, TAE 40116 Certificate 4 in Training and Assessment. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. For more information, go to wattotraining.com.au and feel free to subscribe to the Watto Training YouTube channel for industry updates. Thanks for watching. This has been Brendan from Watto Training, Registered Training Organisation 40791.